Hello, and thank you for visiting my channel today. My name is May, and I'm glad you are able to stop by. So, I do have a job for you today that I would like to share where there is no experience needed, and it's a great opportunity. And the company is called SHIPT. And do you want to be your own boss? So, picture this: you're cruising down the road with your favorite playlist or podcast. You get paid to drive and drop off Target packages. No shopping required. The best part, you only work when you want. Working for Shift, you will be able to make money and meet your goals. You'll get paid for completed routes every Friday or use instant pay to immediately transfer what you earn to your bank account. Take care of bills or save up for something else or something special. It's up to you. You can also earn big with bonus opportunities. You are able to drive every now and then or 7 days a week. It's up to you. You also have total control over how you spend your time in the car. You're able to catch up on podcasts, jam out to playlists, or back in peace and quiet. Your car, your rules. And while traveling on the road to deliver packages for Target, you'll always have access to ship support. This is a dedicated team of problem solvers you can call or chat with in the app. Once your application has been processed with Shift, you can start earning money in 4 quick steps. Reserve your route. Review the estimated pay and number of stops and more of each route before reserving to determine if it works for you. For picking up packages, you will arrive at the designated Target pickup location at your specified time to retrieve and load your packages. Once you hit the road, you'll drive along an extended route while delivering each Target package to its specified destination. And in order to get paid, you'll earn money for each route you complete by way of direct deposit each Friday or immediately with instant pay once eligible. What are the requirements to drive with Shift? At least 18 years old, valid mailing address, a valid U.S. driver's license and auto insurance, a reliable, operable vehicle, 1997 or newer, cannot be a two-door sedan. Ability to lift 45 pounds. You'll need a smartphone. It could be iPhone, iOS 10 or newer, or an Android 5.1 or newer. What's the difference between shopping and driving with Shipt? Shoppers go into a store location to shop or pick up items for a customer's order. Then they leave the store to deliver the order directly to the customer within an hour-long delivery window. A driver goes to a designated Target pickup location to load packages into their car. Then they drop off each package at its delivery location along an optimized but customizable route that could take a few hours to complete. What do I need to successfully submit my information? All you need is a working computer or smartphone and 10 minutes. Note that you'll need to provide a valid current mailing address. When will I hear back once I sign up? If you have successfully shared your sign-up information, you'll receive an email confirmation within 24 to 48 hours. The team reviews submissions based on need and will contact you with more information as the need arises. Why can't I submit my sign-up information? If you are unable to complete the sign-up step, you first need to double check that every required field has been filled out. If you are certain every field has been filled, then one of two issues may be occurring. Check the phone number. It only takes numeric values and will not accept any dashes, dots, or slashes. Also, check your state section. This field must be submitted as the state abbreviation. You can find this in the drop-down menu, or you may type it in yourself. And if you have checked all of these fields and are still unable to sign up, reach out to recruiting@shipt.com so they can help you troubleshoot. This is an important question too. Can I drive someone else's car while driving for SHIPT? You do not have to own the car you drive while driving with SHIPT. However, you do have to be insured on a policy that covers that car. If you are not an insured driver on the policy for a car, you cannot use that car while working for SHIPT. Once you are ready to start your application, put in your legal first name, last name, your email address, your phone number, and your zip code. And once you filled out your information, click Apply, and it'll take you to this screen where you'll get started by providing some additional information. Before getting started, you will need the following: a vehicle information and a vehicle insurance card. In the event you need to stop the process, there is no need to reapply. You will receive an email with your application link. And below, you'll put in your address, your city, your state, your zip code, and are you 18 years or older? And in order to drive for SHIPT, you must be 18 years or older. What is your shirt size? SHIPT will provide you with a shirt as a part of a uniform to drive for SHIPT. Did one of our current shoppers refer you to SHIPT? Then you'll answer that question, and then you will hit Submit. And you will receive an email stating that they have received your application, and if they need additional information, they will contact you by email. So this is all I have for you today. This was a very easy process. So please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell so you'll be notified of more great opportunities. And you have a nice rest of your day.